The topic of discussion in today's video is displacement reaction. Let us discuss about the displacement reaction. Simply, the word indicates that there is the replacement of an element or a metal by the more reactive or the more efficient metal as per the reactivity series. Let us discuss the definition. When a more reactive element displaces less reactive element from its compound, it is called displacement reaction. Let us have an example. First of all, we have iron. It is a metal. It is a transition metal. Transition in the sense the metals which are present in between the metal and non-metals. Metals on the left hand side of the periodic table and non-metals are on the right hand side of the periodic table. And in between these there are the elements which are considered as transition elements from group 3 to 12. Comes under D block element. So this is iron combines with copper sulfate. If iron reacts with copper sulfate, formation of ferrous sulfate with the liberation of copper. Here the displacement of copper by iron is taking place. So the more reactive metal is iron compared to the copper. So the iron can displaces copper in this reaction. So this reaction is a displacement reaction. This is our reactivity series. Here this is iron and this is copper. So iron is more reactive comparative to copper. So it can displaces easily the copper metal and copper. Here also zinc can displaces copper and the copper will get separated from the copper sulfate. So the zinc sulfate is formed, that is the resultant or the product of this reaction by displacing copper metal. In the same way, the next metal of the next example is lead, that can displaces copper ion as copper metal, and lead combines with the chloride ions to form lead chloride. Here Pb is present in the form of Pb positive. This is the valency of lead ion. Here Pb is lead. So what are the displacement reaction? Displacement reaction are the reaction when more reactive element displaces less reactive element from its compound. From its compound it means जो metal already present है along with the other ions, it is separated from by the other elements, and the resultant product is the displaced product of the reaction of displacement reactions. Now discussing double displacement reaction, the reaction in which two different ions in the sense ions of sodium sulfate Na positive and sulfate SO4 2 negative, and barium chloride, that is Ba2 positive and Cl negative. In the reactant molecules are displaced or they are mutually displaced. Mutual, it means mutual displacement. Barium combines with sulfate and sodium combines with chloride ion. Barium sulfate and sodium chloride. Sodium chloride is formed in the product and barium sulfate is is a solid insoluble substance that is separated out in this reaction. This reaction is a double displacement reaction, but we can also call it the precipitation reaction. PPT is the precipitate, that is insoluble mass of a substance in the form of a product, or the resultant product is barium sulfate in this reaction, that is called precipitate here. So this reaction is also known as precipitation reaction. So what are the double displacement reactions? The reactions in which two different ions or group of atoms in the reactants, these are the reactants here and these are the products here, are mutually displaced. Mutually displaced means sodium ion combines with chloride ion and sulfate ion combines with barium ion. So barium sulfate is formed and sodium chloride is also formed as a side product or the byproduct. So the mutual displacement of the elements or the ions in the reaction gives double displacement reaction. You can see the example of precipitation reaction. This is precipitation reaction. The same example is given here. What are the precipitation reactions? If we discuss the chemical reaction which involves the formation of a water insoluble precipitate, that solid mass of a substance, barium sulfate, is separated out in the form of a solid, represented by down-headed arrow. Insoluble precipitate in the reaction is the precipitate and the resultant equation is precipitation reaction. So simply the precipitation reactions and double displacement reactions are correlated. Same mutual exchange of the ions takes place, but there is a difference, that is the solid insoluble substance is getting separated during the reaction. That leads to the formation of a precipitate in the precipitation reaction. So must remember the point as per the examination point of view. Next type of reaction is oxidation and reduction. Oxidation comes with the definition as addition of oxygen to the substance gives oxidation. Addition of oxygen to the substance gives oxidation. So simply the definition is also given here. The process of addition of oxygen to a substance. Along with this definition, we need to identify the oxidation along with the other elements which is going to be added or removed during the reaction condition. If there is addition of oxygen, there is also the possibility of removal of hydrogen from that substance, is also called as oxidation. Removal of hydrogen and addition of oxygen, both the statements gives oxidation reaction. If we are talking about the reduction, just opposite of these two statements regarding reduction is removal of oxygen and addition of hydrogen takes place during the reaction gives reduction reaction. So let us discuss the definitions. Process of addition of oxygen to a substance or removal of hydrogen is oxidation. For example, copper combines with oxygen gives copper oxide. This copper from brown color changes into black due to oxidation. In case of reduction, copper oxide along with hydrogen gas gives copper and water molecule. So here oxygen atom along with the copper is getting removed. So we can write it as copper oxide changes into copper by the removal of oxygen gives reduction reaction, and hydrogen combines with oxygen to give oxidation. अब आपके माइंड में क्वेश्चन ये आता है, क्या सेम रिएक्शन में ऑक्सीडेशन और रिडक्शन दोनों पॉसिबल है? यस, मोस्टली द रिएक्शंस आर द रिएक्शंस विच इंक्लूड्स ऑक्सीडेशन एज वेल एज रिडक्शन. द रिएक्शंस विच includes oxidation and reduction, this type of reaction is the redox reaction. For example, removal of oxygen from copper oxide changes to copper, and addition of oxygen to hydrogen to form water is oxidation here. This is reduction and this is oxidation. So both reduction and oxidation combinedly giving a type of reaction that is redox reaction. This is redox reaction. So the reactions in which oxidation and reduction takes place simultaneously, एक साथ जब प्रोसेस रिडक्शन का हो रहा होता है, एट द सेम टाइम ऑक्सीडेशन इज गोइंग ऑन. इफ ऑक्सीडेशन इज गोइंग ऑन देन रिडक्शन इज ऑल्सो टेकिंग प्लेस simultaneously. Let us discuss with the another example. Fe3O4. This is the oxide of iron combines with hydrogen gas. Products are iron and water. Here this Fe3O4 changes into iron. Removal of oxygen takes place here. It means removal of oxygen is giving reduction, and hydrogen combines with oxygen is giving oxidation. So both reduction and oxidation are going on simultaneously. This reaction is redox reaction. So the most of the reactions which are taking place as combination, decomposition, displacement, double displacement or any other reactions involves the process of oxidation and reduction. So the reactions can be called redox reactions. So in conclusion, all the type of reactions we have discussed, you must have to write in the comment section the type of reactions we have covered in the recent videos of the chapter Chemical Reactions and Equation. Thank you and stay tuned with Real Rasayan.